Universe is saying to you today, you are becoming the master of your inner vibrational frequency. Whatever frequency you emit internally dictates what is manifest externally. You are developing a deep inner peace that no one can interfere with. No matter where the world takes you, maintain this inner peace. Distance yourself from the people and circumstances that disrupt this inner clarity. This commitment to self will be rewarded with abundant new experiences. Type vibe to claim it. And also subscribe the channel.